First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, this is behind the headlight and right there is the plug for the bulb. All we have to do is just grab the plug and then turn it counterclockwise. There it is. Now we will just pull it out. Just like that, the bulb along with the plug taken out. Now to take out the bulb, all we have to do is just press that tab right there. We will press and hold that tab and then pull the bulb outwards. And that is how the bulb is taken out. Notice we never touch the glass portion of the bulb. If you ever end up touching it by mistake, just make sure to wipe it out with a piece of cloth or a napkin. Our hands have some sort of grease and that grease sometimes gets stuck on the glass portion, and down the road while the headlight bulb is on, it could burn out the bulb because of that grease, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Now in my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back, but in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, all you have to do is make sure that the tap portion of the bulb, it matches with the tap portion of the plug right there. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the bulb inside the plug all the way till the very end. There you notice the bulb is completely in and it is not coming out. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plug where we took it out from. We'll make sure the bulb is completely in. Once it's completely in, only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, we are done with the replacement of the headlight bulb. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.